Hello friends, today is the special day, for you and me also. After too much struggle, I got the password of Surelock. And am so sorry. Because I made you to wait. And am very happy, because I decoded the password. Before I tell the password, I have a request for you. Please, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell button next to the subscribe button. You are my supporters, because you only. I got 2.5k views on my last Surelock video. And also the important thing is in the description. The password is Mount 8543%. I repeat, Mount 8543%. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel.